A very good morning to all respected dignitaries, leaders, teachers, and students. I am Kiara Welde, and it is an utmost privilege to stand before you all today. When we were younger, significantly younger, we played every single part of an event with the same kind of importance. It was the same amount of pride, whether you were in a dance group, the main role, or even a tree. I adored the responsibility of carrying out whatever task I was given, whatever role I had to play. Let me tell you about 14th of July, the evening that I opened my inbox to see a mail titled Conference Chair. I think from the time I have opened that mail, in fact, from the time I've applied for this role, I've envisioned this day. I've seen this stage with its beautiful art. I've dreamt of standing behind this very podium, and I have believed in this image of watching you, lovely audience, enthralled by each and every speech. I've written the concept note of the Youth Summit at least 50 times, but it is only in the process of being involved in it that has made me fall in love with the concept. The concept that there is an accessible, safe sanctuary for the youth's ideas, a place where we are free to share our opinions and stand by our beliefs, unwavering each time. Last year, Lakshmi conceptualized this youth summit, and it was completely brand new for all the students. In spite of that, we dove headfirst to be a part of it. This year, too, I am undeniably grateful to all who have put their heart and soul, be it OC, performers, or speakers. That initiative, that excitement, that open-mindedness, I think that's exactly what makes up the youth. Those are some of the very best qualities of the youth. The burning desire, the fire in their stomach that guides them through life, a quality not restricted to someone of a specific age. This whole journey has been enriching. It's been this unimaginable experience that will always remain etched in my heart. I feel so lucky and so grateful for the entire fantastic, fabulous OC who has combated every problem and worked so incredibly hard. My sincerest thanks to all. If given the chance, I wouldn't stop gushing about how wonderful you all have been. Thank you to the co-chair of the event, Arushi Srivastava, a true rock, support, and one of the best people I've ever worked with. Thank you to every single teacher involved in the present, the Kakas, Maushis, IT team, and so many more. Thank you for trusting me to lead this event and be your conference chair. Tying it back to what I said in the beginning, I think the beauty of such an event, such a role, lies in the access of this opportunity, the way playing a part of a bigger picture makes a difference. Today, when we discuss climate, I know we're going to go incredibly in depth, understanding our own roles in the environment. Climate change too, can work with that fire, that desire, and that initiative. When we discuss our 4 topics today, climate action, reduced inequalities, responsible consumption and production, and clean water and sanitation, I want us to truly think about the differences that we can make. I urge you all to take initiatives, take up the opportunities you are presented with, be it Youth Summit or a chance to impact nature for the better. Life will open up many opportunities for us, and it is always, always going to be up to us to either take them or stay afraid of taking them. Thank you.